What's up, YouTube? We got another one. YouTube! This right here is no joke. This setup right here is no joke. So, they loud, so I'm happy. So, this ain't for that video. This ain't the video for that. Can't do unboxing with y'all. I got some packages in. You see my Instagram already. Know what I got going on. So I got some packages right here. To unbox. I'm gonna show you what's going on. Alright, I'm back, y'all. I'm going to unbox these boxes right quick. To show what I got going on today. Alright, y'all. So got these two little boxes here. The short, this one here, from a Tahoe. And with one of the guards. So I already unboxed, I already cut the tape. This came in the mail. Got these right here. And this right here. This is the last box right here. Y'all ain't ready for this. I went online. I need some back speakers for the other truck. So, got me a radio coming too as well. Got me a Bluetooth receiver. So, that being said, let's go and see what I got. Uh-oh, I got them. The cheap way is the easy way, all right? That's why I'm just getting some sound to put in there. I ain't put no major bill because I'm trying to get rid of that truck as soon as I get it fixed. It'll cost me $1,500 to get it fixed. So I went with these Boss coaxials right here. You know what I mean? And they 4-ways. I already got a set of 4-ways already in it. 6.5. So I went with another set, 6.5. I'm putting this in the back because the factory suite don't play at all, so they gone. So I'm gonna replace them with these right here. These right here is a Boss 400 watt, 4-way, full range, 1 pair of speaker. Let's see, the features are rubber surround, a steel basket, 1.37 mid range, 0.5 dome tweeter. The max power is 400 watts. No impedance is 4 ohm. The frequency response is 80 hertz to 20 hertz to 20 hertz. Kilohertz 3 dB. Which is system sensitive is 1W1M 87 dB. And the high pass filter is 6 dB. Dimensions is, like I said, 6.5. Got an installation diagram in it. Mounting hardware. Grill positioning, which I'm not gonna use a grill. But my door panel will have a grill on it, so I can't use this. I can't put it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. A smaller unboxing of the Boss. Let me get my little box cut. I'll be right back. Oops. It fell. No bean, but I'll be right back. Get my head around going around everywhere, y'all. So I got my little transfer knife right here. Every man need a pocket knife. Every man need a pocket knife. So it is a strong one, y'all. I had it up there for the longest. I start carrying one around me every day. Take myself. All right. Y'all need to check my video on Instagram, man. It was long And I'm telling you, y'all, it was loud. It's crazy loud. So that video there, this video in the Tahoe will be hell, y'all. So hope y'all ready for that. It's all going down in the month. I'm gonna get my console bill at the end of the month. And the following month, I'm gonna get my box built. The same process. I'm going to get my what's the name bill. So get my speakers and stuff. So hope y'all stay tuned with that. Y'all gonna like the speaker I got too. So I'm going with it. Got a little weight to it, y'all. Little rubber booty on it right here. Good spade terminals. Got a little weight to it. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I'm doing. I'm gonna unbox this. I'm gonna back this back up. So go ahead and show you what's going on right here. Like I said, I got these really quick because I was not looking for it today. They came in today. That'll be eBay product. I ordered these from my favorite company, which is Speed Daddy. They get to you real quick. So I'm gonna cut you back on and show you what I'm doing, y'all. All right, YouTube. Today, I'm going to go ahead and install these on my truck. These right here. These window guards. So, let's get it, y'all. It's supposed to be smoke, but I can still see through them though. Come right here. All right, turn it back. All right, the owner, y'all, just stick down to the body. The one on my Ford Ranger I had, you gotta open the window up, stick them in the window. There was a time the seals beside the window. So I said, oh y'all, for this side here, I'm gonna cut you back on and show the other side too. I'm going YouTube. Gone. Alright y'all, excuse my dog for barking in the background. So what I did was I lowered that corner there a little bit, brought down a little bit. I'm gonna recenter it again, as you can tell right here. I'm gonna come over like this, like right here on both sides. I got them in though. Just going trying to close this video out. Cause then once again, excuse my dog from barking. That's the only thing you see in my truck right there. Cause I'm in the light. So other than that, they all in. So I got this here in the middle. So I'm gonna move that one over just a little bit on the other side. Yeah, that's all I got. That's all she wrote, y'all. It's in. So like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it, y'all. Luckily, I had a neighbor moving, right? He gave me this lawnmower, little snapper, ride lawnmower. It do works. I'm gonna upgrade the tires because I see a lot of them drive right down here. But other than that, you're holding air on that back side, which I like about it. So that being said, let me show you. The motor's not locked up, so it go run. So yeah, run. I already started cutting the little grass, as you can tell out there. But I just gotta try to push this lawnmower, y'all. Other than that, y'all, like I said before, y'all, good little thing to add to my little collection. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna replace these tires on here and go from there. I'm gonna look on eBay for a set now. I might go ahead and get them, or wait till tonight to get them. But I'm gonna get them no matter what on eBay. I'm gonna find somebody to replace them for me as well. All right, y'all, I'm gone. YouTube, this your boy, Tahoe Addict. All right, y'all. Today, I went to check on the blue truck. So the man told me it's gonna be $1,500. So I'm gonna get him another 1,000 real soon. So I got everything coming, the oil pan gasket. I got the water pump gasket. I got the oil pump gasket and the oil pump, the oil pan, the front end stuff. That pretty much everything. So everything in the window motors. So he told he gonna charge me $380 for that. So that being said, y'all, I just got tired of that truck being over in my house, so it crowded out my space. So I am gonna get my Caprice the end of November, y'all. So stay tuned for that. October, I'm saving October and in November. So November 26th, the Caprice will be parked here, the box 7. So that's gonna be called Snow White. So hope you are ready for that. So that's gonna be the truck for that's gonna be the car for 2024. So that being stay tuned for that. I want to thank all my subscribers, y'all, because y'all, if y'all find my content interesting and watch, y'all can find some other YouTuber. And I thank y'all for that because it means so much to me that I get a like with a like and a comment beside every video I do. I thank y'all for that because it means so much to me. So I'm reaching 1,100 real fast. So I'm sitting on 1,081 right now. So that means I need 19 more to hit my 1,100. So let's get it, y'all. So like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let's get it started. Let's get this started. All right, y'all. I'm gone. I'm tired too, you can tell, right? My eye finally cleared up, y'all. It finally cleared up. I'm gone, y'all.